Welcome to an in-depth exploration of trauma healing with energy techniques and methods, case studies, a key component of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing and energy psychology. This session delves into the application of energy techniques for trauma healing, illustrated through real-life case studies. Understanding trauma and energy work. We begin by understanding how trauma affects the body's energy system. Trauma can create blockages or imbalances in the energy flow, leading to various emotional and physical symptoms. Energy healing techniques aim to release these blockages, facilitating a return to balance and well-being. Case Study 1: Overcoming PTSD with EFT. Our first case study features a veteran, James, struggling with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, after returning from military service. Traditional therapies provided limited relief. When introduced to emotional freedom techniques, EFT, James experienced a significant breakthrough. A 2016 study in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease supports this, showing EFT's effectiveness in reducing PTSD symptoms. Regular EFT sessions helped James reduce flashbacks and anxiety, illustrating EFT's potential in trauma therapy. Case study: Healing Childhood Trauma with Thought Field Therapy, TFT. The second case study focuses on Anna, who endured childhood trauma. She found it difficult to process her emotions, leading to anxiety and depression. Thought field therapy, TFT, was suggested, involving tapping on specific meridian points related to her emotional pain. Over time, Anna reported a substantial decrease in her symptoms. This aligns with research demonstrating TFT's efficacy in addressing emotional trauma. Case Study 3: Integrating Qigong for Emotional Trauma. Next, we discuss the case of Lily, who experienced emotional trauma following a difficult divorce. Alongside counseling, she was introduced to Qigong. This practice, involving gentle movements and focused breathing, helped Lily manage her stress and emotional pain. A 2018 study in Frontiers in Psychiatry highlights Qigong's benefits for emotional health, supporting Lily's experience. Case Study 4: Using Reiki for Trauma Recovery. Another case involves Mark, who suffered trauma from a severe accident. Physical injuries healed, but emotional scars remained. Mark turned to Reiki for holistic healing. This energy healing practice, focusing on transferring universal energy to the client, provided Mark with deep relaxation and emotional release. A 2015 study in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine reported similar findings, with participants experiencing reduced psychological distress following Reiki sessions. Case Study 5: Biofeedback for Complex Trauma. Lastly, we examine the use of biofeedback in treating complex trauma. Sarah, a survivor of long-term domestic abuse, struggled with severe anxiety and physical symptoms linked to her trauma. Through biofeedback, she learned to control her physiological responses to stress, leading to significant improvements in her anxiety levels. Research in applied psychophysiology and biofeedback supports the use of biofeedback in managing trauma-related symptoms. Conclusion: the power of energy techniques in trauma healing. These case studies demonstrate the profound impact that energy healing techniques can have on trauma recovery. By addressing the energetic imbalances caused by trauma, these methods offer a path to healing that complements traditional therapies. As we continue to explore and apply these techniques, we unlock new potentials for healing and recovery, paving the way for a future where energy psychology plays a vital role in addressing the deep-seated impacts of trauma. Let's embrace these powerful tools in our journey toward holistic healing and resilience.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.